Hello everyone. Today in this session of the Computer Lab 2 practical. Okay, so today we have to perform the second one practical, that is the installation or how we can remove the individual Office program and the components from our PC. Okay, so we will see the installation or uninstallation, which is the remove, or how we can remove the individual Office program and the components from our desktop or the PC. Okay, so first of all, see the installation of this. Okay, so for installation of the Office program and the components in your PC, you have to first of all uh, go into this link, and you have to download the Office 2016. Okay, so then you have to click on this to accept the Microsoft. You have to choose the location where you want to save this file, or where you want to download this file. After this, you have to edit the configuration file. So in this, you have to cut this file, and you have to copy the code that is included by using the Control C to copy the configuration details in your configuration file. Okay, after this, you have to copy this path, and that path you have to paste in your configuration file. So make sure that there is no spaces between the path and the, you have to specify it clearly. So you are just all specifying the excluding files. So which file you want to exclude? You don't want the Word, you don't want the Excel, you don't want the PowerPoint. So you need to exclude that file and then save that particular file. After this, you have to press the shift and the right click on your laptop. So after this, you have to, whenever you are pressing the shift and this, so it open the PowerShell. Okay, so you can see one option here, open the command window here. So you have to copy that configuration file into the particular window. After this, you can install the Office in your PC successfully. So in this way, you are successfully installed the Microsoft Office in your system. Okay, so this is about the installation. Now see the uninstallation of this. Now see the uninstallation of this Office program. So first of all, in this you can uninstall the Office program and the components from the several options. Okay, so today we are just uninstalling. So first of all, you have to open the control panel. After this, you have to select the programs. After this, you are selecting the particular Office program that you want to uninstall. Then you have to click on the uninstall, and that particular Office program is uninstalled. Or you can use the Easy Fix tool, right? So from the Easy Fix tool, you can download that Easy Fix tool, and you can uninstall all the Microsoft Office programs and the components from your devices. Okay, so this is the process of the uninstallation. So for the uninstallation, you have to open the control panel. First of all, you have to open the control panel. Uh, you have to select in this the program, uh, and after this, whenever you are clicking on this program that is present in your PC. Okay, so the particular Microsoft Office program that you want to uninstall, that is uninstall by clicking on this uninstall button, right? So this is about the installation and the uninstallation of the Office programs and the component from your devices. Okay, so thank you for watching.